all, congratulations for the wonderful work you people have done. So congratulations to each one of you who was part of the team. So the president, the secretary and all your team, congratulations. You have done us proud. We are proud of you. So the main intention of organizing this cricket tournament was for the cancer, to raise funds for the cancer patients. So that is what has touched us so much, because organizing games is always a regular practice, but I have been following everything right from the day of the auction, because all these people come and discuss at home what they have been doing. So right from the auction till the final day, we have been with you and we understand how nicely and meticulously you have planned everything, and everything has gone so well. So right from the auction, it was like an IPL auction. We have seen the videos and all. So we are really happy that, you know, our children are now competent enough and confident enough to organize such events. So the basic intention of this is for a good cause. That is what, you know, it has really touched our hearts. And I hope you people will keep on working on this ventures in future as well. And one more thing which is we are really happy is creating the health awareness, fitness awareness among all the people. And I have seen that in many teams, they are the players who have already crossed 40s and 50s. So I really congratulate all of you, all the spirit. So you were so bold enough to participate in the cricket, because it's not just you have to stand in one place. You have to really make an effort. You have to run around in the fielding, batting, bowling and everything. So you should have that stamina to run around. So I really congratulate for taking the initiative to participate and for creating that health awareness. And you have been practicing since last 15 days. So I'm sure you understand how important it is to be fit. So you understand that you have to be fit throughout so that you can play cricket or you can play any game. And I'm so happy, you know, that health awareness has been created. And I'm so happy that now on 12th of January, we are organizing Bidar Marathon. So we have so many fit people to participate in a Bidar Marathon. So, you know, I'm really very happy now you're preparing yourself for the 21 kilometers run which we have, and I'm sure we will have the winners from this team, from the participants of all these teams, about 10 or 11 teams. So I hope that one of the winner will be from this Rotary Silver Star. And I would like to also mention that we have good cash prizes for men and women separate for 21 kilometers as well as 10 kilometers. So you can train yourself. You still have 1 month. It's on 12th of January. So it's really good, you know, you've started your first step or beginning to keep yourself fit. So I'm sure we'll have so many people, you know, participating in Bidar Marathon. So our intention of organizing this Bidar Marathon is to create awareness about the health among the people of Bidar. So we see our children, our students, you know, most of them neglect physical exercises. They are more into the laptops or the mobiles, playing games and all. So I was just saying that children nowadays neglect their health, and parents also are more concerned about the academic achievements. So I would request the parents and as well as the elders to be yourself fit and also to make your children fit. So this is one way of creating awareness among the people of Bidar, and that's the reason we are organizing this Bidar Marathon. So I'm very happy that Silver Star has taken first step towards creating health awareness, and we will continue it with Bidhan Marathon. So I'd request all the guests present here, especially Shri Rajshekar Patil ji and other guests here, to be part of Bidhan Marathon so that you can encourage all the people of Bidhan to run and to be fit and understand how important it is to be physically fit. Jaan hai to jahan hai. So this is a very popular saying, and you realize it when you get into some problem. So it is very important to be physically fit. Only then you can be mentally fit. So this is a very good beginning, as I said. So I hope it will continue, and all of the players as well as their families also will understand and start working on their health and keep themselves fit. So I once again like to congratulate the entire team for the good cause which you have been working. So I just want to read something for you. Your worth is not defined by what you achieve or acquire. Your worth is not defined by what you achieve or acquire. It is a question of who you become and how you contribute to others. And you people have just, you have set an example by doing all this, organizing this event and working for others, working for the, for the benefit of cancer patients. So self-esteem should come from character, not success or status. And the highest accomplishment is to be a person of generosity, curiosity and integrity. And all the Silver Star team has proved that. And I congratulate once again to all of you, and we are proud of you. God bless you. Thank you so much.